Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we'll learn how to set up your shop default email. For your shop, you have two different types of emails that are used in two different cases. First of all, the account ID. This is the email address used to create your GoodBarber account and where you'll receive the admin emails from GoodBarber. Please note that if you're adding new members to your team, their account ID will be the email used to send them the invite to access the back office. To set up your collaborators to receive admin emails from GoodBarber, let's go to the menu Settings, Other Settings, Team. Let's choose one of my collaborators. I simply need to check the box Administrative Notification for them to receive the GoodBarber emails. The account ID is also used to receive the test emails for the setup of email notifications sent to your client. Then the client's email. This is the email address that will appear as the sender on your emails sent to your client. To set this one up, let's go to the menu Settings, Shop Information, enter the email of your choice in the field Client's Email, and save. Voila, it's done. You now know how to set up the default email for your shop. See you soon for another tutorial.